back with another vlog. It's been a very long time since I last posted. I think it's been 6 or 7 months since I posted my last vlog. But today I wanted to do an unboxing because I got new roller skates. These roller skates on Monday, but I've been waiting to do an unboxing for you guys. I got them off this random like small retail sports website. I did pay $150 and they usually retail for $99, but I was like willing to pay whatever because I really wanted them. Etsy was charging $200, but I was not about to pay that. Let's unbox these pads first because I really want to see what they look like. I got both brands. Both brands are Impala. Originally I wanted pastel, but when I was looking further into pictures, it's like an ugly pastel and they over edited their picture so it wasn't as light as it looked. Oh my god guys, they're so freaking cute. It's like this cute baby blue. Oh, let's see how much these were. These were, I don't know, what does it even say? I think I paid $50 for these, but they're so worth it and they're so cute. Time to unbox what really matters, the roller skate. Literally been waiting all week to open this because I wanted to open it in front of the camera. So. Look how cute this packaging is. What the heck? Oh my god. That's all that comes in the box. Toss that aside. So they're like pink wheels, white, and then these blue laces, which you can obviously interchange. Then it just says Impala on the back. Oh my gosh, this is literally, I can't, the cutest. So I'm gonna be roller skating at Bubby's house, so I literally have to carry all of this to his house. So I'll see you guys when we start skating. I need help. Baba! Help me! Help me up. What?
Oh,
Yeah.
this. You didn't even try.
Yes, I did!
No, go like this.
No, I need to get up this way.
Oh my god, you just freaking rolled over my foot. You should be a pro at this.
I don't think so.
Do you know how to stop?
No!
Alright, do some tricks. Oh, you're trying to go backward?
No! I'm trying to stop myself. Okay guys, we're gonna try to go around the block. Whoa. Let me walk on the grass and then I'll go down.
Just cut out whatever part you don't want.
I'm sweating.
You're sweating? It's only been one.
It'd be better if the wind stopped. It keeps pushing me. I go at my own pace.
Such a bad cameraman. Oh, there's a bus. Oh no, I missed it.
Guys, it's so fucking hot today. I'm literally sweating. There's like sweat dripping down my face. Okay guys, I'm going to try and hold you guys while attempting to skate. It's so freaking hot. I literally tried this earlier and fell into the curb. So a lady was walking. She laughed at me. I've been trying to learn how to stop for the last 2 days. The YouTube videos make it look so much easier than it is. I tried the T method. Definitely didn't work for me. I fell over each time I tried that. And then I tried using the stopper. I can use the stopper, but I can only do it going at a slow speed. So if I was friggin' zooming, I'm literally gonna have to jump into the grass to stop. It's that bad. I fell twice today, which is much less than yesterday. Okay, we're gonna go around the neighborhood one last time and then call it a day. Yeah! Oh my god! You really tried to kill me today. Jesus. Okay, let me see your trick. Go. It's okay.
Excellent.
You tried. You tried. Literally about to trip over all these pebbles. It's such a nice day to skate though. So much better than yesterday. Probably gonna give it a break tomorrow and then go again on Monday. Because I am so over it. I'm tired. Calling it a day, guys. Oh my gosh, my feet are so sweaty. Okay guys, Bubs and I are about to make lasagna and call it a night. Thanks for watching guys. See you next time.